first video. Wow. Hi guys, my name is Asia May. If you don't already know already, which you clearly don't because this is my first YouTube video. Hi, how are ya? Giving the people what they want. So giving me what I've been needing to do for a couple of years. Hey, welcome to Hey Asia May, where you can learn about all things business, personal finance, and entrepreneurship here on my channel. My name is Asia May, clearly. And welcome to my first video. Wow, I've been wanting to start a channel now for a couple of years, so I'm excited that I'm now able to start sharing my knowledge and my journey with you guys. And what I want to do is take you guys along on this journey with me as I learn and try different entrepreneurial routes, as I try to grow different businesses, do different things, because that's what I love. That's what I've always wanted to do. And I hope that I'm able to inspire someone. Like, preface all of this, I want this channel to be about starting something in entrepreneurship that people can relate to, that people might be interested in, that people can see and be like, someone else is doing something and they're adding value to my life. So all essentially I want to do is take you guys along on this journey with me. Learn with me. We can learn together. We're all in this together, and I want you guys to go on this journey with me. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you heard anything from anyone related to business or finance, like Graham Stephan, please smash that YouTube algorithm button called the follow button. Twitter, maybe, no, the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button and please hit the follow bell notification, as well as a big like on this video. It seriously does help the channel, and especially since I'm new and I'm going to be growing, I really would appreciate it from you guys. So please, let's now go ahead and get into the video after you guys go ahead and hit that. If you haven't already heard from, all of the advertisements on TV and YouTube and everything, there's this little, this girl, and her name is Poshmark. Yes, so Poshmark, if you haven't already heard, is an online retailing platform that allows you to list items that you have in your own closet. Usually it's typically women's clothes, it could be men's clothes, it could be whatever, but you go ahead and list your item, someone else might like it and they'll go ahead and purchase the item from you, and you're able to make some profit from it. So what I went ahead and did, I took a piece of, honestly, inspiration out of the book from my little brother. He is a little super genius, but he was my big inspiration behind all of this, because about a year ago, I wanted to say, he started to resell things online, whether it be things that he found at garage sales, at estate sales, at Goodwill. He went ahead and turned those items into a very large profit for what he bought it for. He would be making about a couple grand every single month just as a student in high school. And I thought, well, why can't I do that for myself? So essentially what ended up happening is I was moving out of my apartment in Boston. I went to school in Boston, graduated from a university there, and I found myself in a situation due to Miss Quarantina where I had to go home. Instead of just throwing away all of my items, I decided to take a page out of my brother's book, and I went ahead and decided to sell a lot of the things that I had in my room, whether it be from my closet, whether it be from, furniture, whatever the case may be. I listed a lot of those items on Poshmark, as well as different things that were furniture on OfferUp, as well as Letgo. And honestly, I was very pleasantly surprised. I didn't realize that you could make a decent amount of money on things that you may not need anymore or may not value anymore, and people are so willing to buy those things. I made, within, I'm gonna say like 2 weeks of trying to sell things, about a little under $2,000, like from things that were just junk that I would have thrown out anyway. From there, I was like, there's something here, sis. There's something here. What I went ahead and did and decided to do is see how far I could take this and see if I can make this into a little personal business venture for myself. What I'm going to be doing with you guys today is taking you along with me with my little brother, and we're going to be taking you thrift shopping and building up inventory for my closet. So I just want to preface all of this. I am not a professional. I'm not, a full-time Poshmarker. I'm someone who's dipping their toes into the water, and so far I'm liking what I see. I want to show you guys what I'm finding is working, what isn't working, and every few weeks or so I'm going to give you guys updates on new knowledge that I have, new things that I have, and bringing it to you guys so that we can start and learn on this journey together. So whether you want to be a Poshmark reseller, whether or not you're just interested in business, whether or not you want to, you're viewing my videos for other purposes, I just want to bring you guys on this journey so we can learn together and really grow. And here we go. Okay guys, hey, so now we're in my car. We're gonna Okay, so now we're gonna go to the Goodwill. We're gonna go to our first location. So me and my brother, we're in the car now, and we're gonna go and take off. So roll over to the Goodwill store, location number 1. Let's go. Okay, so we're here at our first location, and there is a bit of a line, which is okay, whatever. So we're just going to be waiting to get inside, and we'll show you guys what we do from there. Here we go. And so one thing I wanted to point out at our local store, we actually see, I don't know if you guys can see that here, but we have weekly deals that we do. So seniors get special discounts and everything. And so every week they have a special tag color. This week's is green. And so you get 50% off on those tags. And then on Saturdays is actually the $1 day. So if you end up getting the item, it matches the tag, you end up getting that item for $1 on the respective day. So if we get anything that's green tagged, we're in good shape. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so I decided to change my strategy a little bit with how I'm gonna shop for the jeans. I'm looking mainly at jeans, jackets, and like maybe some tops and everything, as well as anything that's like kind of on the green discount, because that's what's here for this week. A lot of the items that I did see that I know would be higher ticket price items on Poshmark, because of the brand that they are, they're gonna be higher price. They're gonna be red tags. So I'm gonna actually wait, because for me, the profit margin just doesn't make sense for what I would be making. So what I'm exclusively kind of doing now is going to things that have blue items, as well as still checking for the company logo that are on the jeans, because sometimes they miss tag things, and that's easy money for you to be making up. Survey says shoes also. Survey says you should shop my Poshmark store. I don't care. Cringy. Okay, so I'm looking at these shoes, and so I thought I would just refilm this part just because Avery just gave me some good advice for like different things that I may not look out for, but he looks out for because he has more experience. So these aren't shoes that I would ever wear because, I don't know, they're like grandma shoes, whatever, but you know, it doesn't mean that no one else will wear them. So I like that the leather seems like okay. They're on sale for $1 today, but the bottom of them are inside. Some parts of the leather are like not as nice. And though I may look at these and be like, oh, like they're not that bad, he would say that, oh, like maybe, well, what did you say, Avery? Just say it to the people.
Well, so the name, wait, what's this? So the name's faded. Also, the leather's quite beat, so I wouldn't sell these. Even if they're $1, I don't think it's worth the investment.
Fair enough. Okay, so we just finished at the Goodwill. We got a few things. I got like maybe like 15 pairs of jeans, all like Levi's, like good quality jeans, all for $1. And my total ended up coming out to like $20. Abe also got a few things. Abe, do you want to say what you got?
Like 3 Carhartt jeans.
Yeah.
They're all expensive, like red tags.
They're all red tags?
They're all red tags. So each is $20, no tax, so I got it for $60 in total.
So now we finished our first Goodwill run. Now here we go on our next. Let's go. Okay, so we're outside of the next Goodwill store, and yeah, so we stopped really quickly just to get a bite to eat. So we ended up getting, okay, well, Avery's is gone, but there we got kebab. But yeah, we're gonna go inside the next Goodwill store. We only have about like 40 minutes inside this one because all the Goodwill stores in Nevada are closing at 6. So yeah. Okay, so we just finished at the second Goodwill store, and honestly, there wasn't much at all. Like, I found like a cool puffer jacket and everything, but it didn't have like a special name or anything like that, but it was $1. I almost got in line for it. I was in line for it, but honestly, the line was gonna take us like another like 20-30 minutes, and they were about to close anyway. So we both just thought it would be best to leave. But it's fine because I feel like I got good pickups from the other location, and I definitely want to go to one of the, what's it called? It's not a wholesale location. What's it called?
Bins.
The bin location. So pretty much what they do there is they sell everything by the unit or like by the pound. So you're just getting a better discount. Obviously, the more you buy, the better the discount you're gonna get. So I think we'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. If Ava doesn't come, I'll go by myself. But we'll see. And yeah, so as of now, we're just gonna go home, look at what we got, and yeah, go from there. Bye, guys.